There are some Muslim leaders of Goa, some so-called Muslim leaders. They've suddenly found new love for the BJP and they're talking against the Congress and sending a wrong message that the Muslim community is with the BJP. Just want to clear that the full just because of these few leaders who have gone to the BJP for their personal benefits and gains, but the full Muslim community is with the Congress because they know Congress is the only party which is a secular party which believes in the Constitution of India, and they are fully, not communal and completely secular. So that impression that the Muslim community is with somebody else, no, it's fully with the Congress and standing with the Congress party.
आम्ही आमच्या प्लॅटफॉर्माचेर उलयतालो पळय ते आमी बरो आसलो म्हणना त्या वेळार तो काँग्रेस पार्टीन आसलो. ओके, आनी तो पार्टीचें जें धोरण आसा त्या लायनीन उलयतलो. तेणी त्या आमच्या पार्टीच्या प्लॅटफॉर्मार बसून असली मूर्खपणां केन्ना करूं ना, कित्याक काँग्रेस लिडरशिपान ताका असलें केन्ना शिकोवंक ना उलोवपाक. जे आयज तो उलयता तो स्वताचें उलयना, तो आयज जे कितें आरोप करता आमच्या लिडराचेर ते मदारी जे आसा ते मदारी ज्या प्रमाणे डबरू वाजयता तसो हो नासता.